All right, let's get this back together. We are going to fully clean this because you can see this thing is quite dirty. And we're going to go just a little bit extra for this person. And that's not floating. Let's unplug that. Unplug that. Get this out of here. Grab the cooler, flip it over. Unplug our fan. Bad boy is holding on for dear life. Probably because I haven't taken. I'm going to take these guys. Yeah. That. Let us. Take this. Like that. And then that unplugs. Sure we don't. This is the one for the back corner. Held in with a screw. Back over here. Realizing I've never done a video on disassembling one of these. Good reason. These things are a pain. Like everything about them is just frustrating for no reason. And there's two more screws down here. Okay. And now we have to undo this clip. And we'll clean all this off. Just...
Huge mistake! Huge mistake!
No good deed, right? A little more work for myself. Well, that's fine.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
All right, now here we go. Clean up the mistake that I just made. Might be easier to do. This is what I just yanked off. Just need to make sure that, yeah, so I pull off that side. Oh, let's go to our donor board. Add a little bit of flux to our mistake. I just want to come in here. Not that much. Okay. Next, let's grab this. This. We want to turn these into like puddles. Lay out like that. We are going to pick up a little bit off of this one. That was a bit much on there. Now we got to put the smallest amount back on there. The other pad looks fine. Go on, Flux. Do your job. So I can add solder to this pad. No, I guess we're doing it the hard way. Which is, honestly, again, way too much. But we'll have to make it work. Alright, so that's the prime board. This is the donor board. We want this one. Right, and then we just got to make sure that this is actually fine. It's not going anywhere. I think we're good. Now, back to what we were doing. Going to clean this off. And we have to do the other side of it. It's this. Some Noctua thermal paste on there. This should extend the life of this quite a bit. This goes like this. These are infected. This is good. This is such a terrible design on this thing. Yay. And this thing should run a lot quieter for her. It's alive after I almost killed it. It's not saying too much. Taking that, like I always have problems taking that X clamp off. Almost every time. And now our DVD. Why are you not working? Just had this thing working. That way works. There we go. Tested a couple times. There's that. Now, that. All right. Let's put this back into the case. All right, I think this is good to go.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.